Ready to ditch the bulky wallet and experience the future of fast, secure payments? Let's start by adding your cards to Apple Pay. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus button in the top right corner. You can either manually enter your card details or, even easier, use your iPhone's camera to scan the card. Just position the card within the frame, and the information will automatically be populated. Next, you'll need to review and agree to the terms and conditions of the card issuer. This is an important step to ensure you understand the usage agreement. Now, let's make a purchase at a store. Look for the contactless payment symbol at the checkout. Double-click the side button on your iPhone to activate Apple Pay. Use Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate the transaction. Hold your iPhone near the payment terminal until you see a check mark and hear a beep, indicating the payment is complete. If you're using an Apple Watch, simply double-click the side button and hold it near the reader. You'll feel a gentle tap on your wrist when the payment is successful. For online purchases on your Mac, select Apple Pay as your payment method at checkout. You will then authorize the payment using your iPhone or Apple Watch for added security. Apple Pay is super secure because it uses tokenization, meaning your actual card number isn't shared with merchants. Plus, Apple Pay provides built-in fraud protection, making it safer than using your physical card. Apple Pay also works seamlessly within apps for online shopping, food delivery, and much more. Just look for the Apple Pay button at checkout for a quick and secure payment experience. So, ditch the wallet and embrace the convenience and security of Apple Pay. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments what other features you'd like us to explore.